Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable private browsing on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable private browsing on your iPhone, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Safari app. Now once you open the Safari app, now from here just tap on this square icon at the lower right corner on the display. Now from here just tap on private. Now from here once you tap on private, just tap on this plus icon at the lower left corner on the display to open a new tab in the private browsing section. And this is how you can enable private browsing on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.